Hi everyone, it's Shelby. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another week of meal planning. We are home from vacation. I tell you what, it was surreal because the weather there in Cabo was so perfect. It was like high 70s, 80 the whole time. And when we got off the plane in New York, it was freezing. We came home to several feet of snow, and I tell you what, Cinderella, that whole thing, oh yeah. I was like hit with a pumpkin in my face. My little glass slipper shattered. It was so cold. But vacation's kind of funny anyway. You know, you save for a year or two to go on vacation and plan it, and then it just seems like it goes by like that. But we had a good time and hopefully made some wonderful memories with our family. And but now we're back. Got to get back in the swing of things. This week the boys start school, so we're just trying to get everything prepared for that. And I have so much laundry to do, it's unbelievable. My machine has just like almost just tapped out. What do they say? Tapped out. That's what they say. It's tapped out. We dropped the bags off as we came in, and I tell you what, it's just been humming ever since we've been home. But I have a little bit more footage too from vacation I'd like to share with you guys. When we were in San Diego, we went and saw that ship, the Midway. If you liked that movie Top Gun and Naval Aviators and that whole thing, you probably would like the footage from the Midway. And I was thinking of Patty because Patty's husband served on the Midway. So the whole time I was there, I was just thinking of Patty. And I got something for him, by the way. So send me your private message, I guess I should say. Send me your address and I'll send it to him. He probably would like it. Anyway, we did the Midway, and then when we got to LA, we went and saw the spaceship Endeavour, and that was really interesting. I have to tell you, I was really shocked at the scale of it, and the size of those engines is like incredible. Anyway, I got some footage to share. I just need to find time to edit it. We've just been really busy since we've been back home. And let's think, what else? That's pretty much it. Ken's doing his little projects, and yeah, we're just busy. Busy. But this week, my focus with my meal plan is to get some chicken marinated and in the freezer, because chicken is now 0 points on Weight Watchers. So we're going to have chicken a little bit more than normal. And I want to recycle that chicken into every flavor I can think of. Chicken this, chicken that, chicken. Anyway, let me get the camera turned around. I'll show you what I got going on. I went to BJ's. I got a ton of chicken and some stuff for marinades. And then I went to my regular grocery store and picked up what I need. And I'll show you what I got planned. Last night we had some grilled chicken for dinner. And I also incorporated some freezer prep. And I'll show you what I mean. I used this 32-ounce bottle of Spiedies Marinade and made 5 chicken packets for the freezer. I was able to get 5 packets of chicken out of that one marinade bottle. And in each of these packets, there's 6 chicken breasts that I sliced horizontally to make 12 cutlets. So that'll give you an indication of how much chicken you'll be able to marinade with that bottle of Spiedies Marinade. I served the chicken with some green beans and a very simple salad. I just wanted to mention this is our first time trying the Spiedies Marinade, and it really kept the chicken very moist. It's almost like it brined it. I noticed that salmon is on sale at our local grocery store this week, and I want to try to incorporate more fish into our diet. I'm going to pan sear the salmon in a little bit of butter and olive oil and serve it with some spiralized zucchini, just very quickly stir-fried, and a salad. Wednesday, I'm going to make some burrito bowls, and I'm going to also try to do a little bit of freezer prep and get some tequila lime chicken in the freezer so that I can have it for the upcoming weeks. And I'll share that recipe with you guys. For the tequila lime chicken, you'll need a cup of lime juice, a half a cup of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of minced cilantro, 2 tablespoons of honey. Just gonna eyeball it. And 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a jalapeno, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper, a minced shallot, and 3 tablespoons of oil, and 1/4 cup tequila. We're going to give this a shake. And then in my bags, I have 6 chicken breasts cut horizontally for 12 pieces. I have 4 bags, so I'm going to add about 1/4 of the marinade into each bag. And then we'll get these bags sealed up for the freezer. We're going to make these burrito boats by grilling the chicken and cutting it into small pieces, serving it with cilantro rice, some pinto beans, some pico de gallo, and then when they heat it up, the boys can add some sour cream or some avocado slices. They love chipotle, so this is right up their alley. Thursday, we're going to pan sear some chicken tenders and make like a honey, sesame, garlic sauce, and serve it with some jasmine rice and steamed broccoli. This is a recipe that I got off of HelloFresh, that home delivery service, and I'll put the recipe for you in the description box. It's pretty good. Friday, I'm going to serve Oriental chicken salad, and it's a great recipe. I love this salad. I'm going to be freezer prepping some Thai coconut marinated chicken. So I'm going to quadruple the recipe so I can get some frozen assets in the freezer, you know, for future meals. And I have a video on how to make the marinade. I'll put in the description box. And in that video, there's also 5 different recipe ideas in how to use the Thai coconut marinade. I really like this salad, and I find myself meal prepping it for the week. I do store the Chinese noodles, sesame seeds, and sliced almonds in a little Ziploc baggie so it doesn't get soggy. Saturday, I'm going to make broccoli beef and serve it with cilantro lime rice. I'm planning on making like a big pot of cilantro lime rice and using it throughout the week to kind of save some time and effort here. I've made this broccoli beef before on my channel, and I'll put the link in the description box to that video. It's an old Weight Watcher, I think from the Take 5 book, years and years ago. And it's a great recipe. Finally, Sunday, I'm going to make some red chicken curry bowls. And I'm using the Thai coconut marinade. I'm going to grill the chicken, make the curry sauce. I already have the cilantro lime rice, and all I need to do is stir fry some veggies. I'll put the recipe for this in the description box. This recipe has so much flavor, and it's one that really holds up to meal prepping if you're kind of into that. I'm trying to get more into that myself. It's great to take for a lunch at work or to school or whatever. It heats up wonderfully in the microwave. I went ahead and made my grocery list. I went to BJ's already and got 100 pounds of chicken to do some marinades for the freezer. I want to get a bunch of that in the freezer to make upcoming dinners really easy. So most of the things I needed was produce. I'm getting some salmon. It's on sale this week. A little bit of dairy and a few items for the pantry. And getting ready to go get this grocery shopping done. Here's our haul. I did a freezer stock up haul at BJ's today. I went and got a whole bunch of chicken breasts, and then I got some items that I need to make some marinades. Kid and I just got back from the grocery store, and here's our haul. We got some navel oranges, limes, big bag of Gala apples, berries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, a couple bunches of grapes, whole bunch of bananas, because we eat a lot of bananas, the boys do, a couple pineapples. As far as veggies, we got some sweet onions, red onions, a couple of zucchinis. I'm going to spiralize these and serve it this week. A couple of slicing tomatoes, jalapenos, green onions, red bell peppers, Roma tomatoes, tomatillo. I'm just going to make a little bit of tomatillo sauce, kind of pare down the recipe. Shredded carrots, romaine lettuce, a red cabbage, broccoli, asparagus, a couple packages of the baby bella mushrooms, avocados, and then snow peas. I'm going to use these in 2 different recipes. Got some salmon, and then I got Parmesan. I got grated and shaved because I'm going to make chicken Caesar salad this week. Got some Greek light and fit yogurt, 3 dozen eggs, a couple gallons of milk, a couple of loaves of whole wheat bread. And then as far as non-food items, I got some paper towels, and I needed some straws. Got a couple packages of straws. And then pantry items, I got this Thai red curry paste. I like to add a tablespoon of this, 1 or 2 tablespoons when I make red curry. And then I needed some sesame seeds. So that was our grocery haul, and the total was $225.19. Well, there you have it, you guys. That's the plan. I'm sticking to it. And I just want to know, like, if any of you guys are doing the new freestyle plan on Weight Watchers, leave a little comment below and maybe we can share recipes. I know Sue's doing it. I saw her video. And I know a few of you guys are doing it, or maybe you just, want to and want to lose some weight or whatever. Let's do it together. 20 pounds by summer. That's my goal. So anyway, if you're interested, leave a little comment and we can do it together. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Oh, I think turkey's free too. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Happy meal planning. Have a great week. And I love you guys. Talk to you later.